These are the easiest high-protein pancakes you can make. Mash 1 ripe banana until smooth. Add eggs and protein powder and mix everything together. Heat a pan on medium heat with a little oil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. Flip carefully and cook the other side. These have no flour, no sugar, and still taste amazing. Save this and try tomorrow. Full recipe is in the comments. Follow for more easy, healthy, and delicious recipes.